Welcome to our Module 5 in Basic Excel. In this video exercise, I want to show a basic use of Excel. Now, what Excel does, it actually calculates the data and it does the data analysis. And if you see or notice here, we have just random data: sales associate, unit price, quantity, sales, commission, and net sales. And A, B, C, D, E, F. Now these are the titles. Now, to start with this Excel file, first of all, I want to show the horizontal and the vertical. This is basically by going up and down, it's vertical, and if you see from left to right, it's horizontal. Now, rows are always horizontal and the columns are always vertical. If you see all the columns, they're called A, B, C, up to Z, and then if you see the rows, it starts from 1 and onwards. Now we always have an identity of a cell. Wherever you click on a cell and there's a name box, it will automatically tell you the identity. Where the column and rows intersect, it basically forms an identity. Now this is C3, and you can see because I selected C3, now this is B5 and this is E3. So basically where they intersect, you basically see which column is it and which row is it, and that's how you form the identity. Now in this basic Excel file, I have sales associates there, and then we have unit price. Now unit price, as you can see, they have a dollar sign with it. We can add it or we can remove it through currency. I added it because it's a dollar value, it's a currency. Then I go into quantity. I don't need to use the dollar sign there, so I just use it as number because it's a simple number of quantity. And then the sales, that's also a dollar value, so I'm going to use currency. And then we have commission, which is also currency, and then net sales is also currency because all these are sales in dollar values. Now on top of this, if we see our data altogether, I want to show you what simple formulas we have used here. In sales, basically what we are doing, we are using B2 times C2. B2 is our unit price for James Henry and C2 is the quantity. So we're using B2 and C2, and then we will calculate the commission and net sales through that. If you go on net sales, you can see it's D2 minus E2, and D2 is James Henry's sales and E2 is James Henry's commission. And obviously in the end, Excel is giving us the net sales. Now is equal to sign basically defines the formula because you're writing the formula, and it's a very simple math here we're using. And you can also see these formulas in the formula box, which one you used, and over in the name box now you can see this is sum, as it tells you which formula we used. So obviously the subtract, multiplication, and the addition, it comes in sum functions. Now in further videos we'll talk about our complex formulas in intermediate and advanced, and you will learn from there. We'll see you in the next video.